Greetings, health enthusiasts, and welcome to another insightful video on Nourish Your DNA. We are all about exploring the fascinating world of our genetic makeup and how it intertwines with our overall health. Today, we set our sights on an often overlooked yet crucial aspect of our well-being, our bone health. Imagine every step you take, every move you make, is supported by the intricate framework of bones within your body. And what's at the heart of this framework? DNA, nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids, the fundamental building blocks of life. Understanding their role and how they interact to sustain and improve our bone health is crucial. It's a fascinating journey into the very essence of our being, one that reveals the subtle interplay of these tiny molecules in keeping us upright and active. So, buckle up. Join us as we delve into the intricate world of our body's building blocks and their impact on our bone health. DNA, the blueprint of life, plays a fundamental role in our bone health. Our DNA is like a master architect, meticulously designing and constructing the framework of our bodies, including our bones. It's intriguing to know that our DNA holds the key to understanding the intricacies of bone health. Bones are not static structures, they are constantly regenerating, a process orchestrated by our DNA. This remodeling of bones allows them to adapt to physical stress, repair damage, and regulate mineral homeostasis. DNA provides the instructions for the production of proteins that are essential for bone development. These proteins, such as collagen, form the structural matrix of our bones. Without the detailed blueprint provided by DNA, these proteins wouldn't know how to assemble, affecting the strength and density of our bones. DNA also plays a significant role in bone maintenance. It regulates the activity of cells such as osteoblasts, which are responsible for bone formation, and osteoclasts, which break down bone tissue. This balance between bone formation and bone resorption, guided by DNA, ensures the maintenance of healthy bones. Further, DNA influences how our bodies respond to essential nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. It controls the absorption, distribution, and utilization of these nutrients to ensure they are efficiently used for bone health. Interestingly, our DNA can also influence our susceptibility to bone-related diseases. Variations in our genes can make us more prone to conditions like osteoporosis, a disease characterized by fragile and brittle bones. Understanding our DNA can thus provide valuable insights into personalized strategies for preventing and managing bone diseases. In essence, our DNA is the silent conductor orchestrating the symphony of bone health. It's involved in every stage, from bone development, remodeling, to maintenance, and even in how our bones respond to nutrients and potential diseases. As you can see, DNA is not just about genetics. It's about the health and strength of our bones too. Now, let's turn our attention to nucleotides, the lesser-known heroes of bone health. Nucleotides, the building blocks of DNA, play an integral role in the development and maintenance of our bones. They are essentially biological molecules that our body uses to perform numerous tasks, one of which is supporting bone health. You see, our bones are not static structures. They are dynamic, constantly undergoing a process of remodeling. This involves the removal of old bone cells, the osteoclasts, and the formation of new ones, the osteoblasts. Here's where nucleotides come into play. They contribute to cell regeneration, providing the necessary materials for the creation of new cells. This is particularly crucial for the osteoblasts, the bone-forming cells. When we consume foods rich in nucleotides or take nucleotide supplements, we're providing our body with the raw materials it needs to generate these new bone cells. But that's not all. Nucleotides also play a role in facilitating the absorption of calcium, a mineral that's vital for bone strength. They help transport calcium from the bloodstream into the bone cells, thereby contributing to the density and strength of our bones. It's also worth mentioning that nucleotides support our immune system. They help maintain the health of our gut, which in turn influences our immune response. A well-functioning immune system is crucial for bone health as it helps to control inflammation and prevent bone loss. In essence, by supporting cell regeneration, calcium absorption, and immune function, nucleotides contribute significantly to bone health. They are the unsung heroes, working behind the scenes to ensure our bones are robust and healthy. However, like any other nutrient, the key is balance. Consuming too much or too little can disrupt the body's natural processes. So, it's essential to nourish our bodies with the right amount of nucleotides. So, nourishing our body with the right amount of nucleotides is essential for maintaining robust bone health. And remember, good health is not just about what we avoid, but also about what we incorporate into our lifestyle. Oligopeptides and amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, are integral to our bone health. These aren't just fancy scientific terms, they're real, tangible components of our bodies that play a critical role in maintaining and improving the health of our bones. Let's start by breaking down what these components are. Oligopeptides are short chains of amino acids linked by peptide bonds. They're smaller than proteins, but don't let their size fool you. These tiny powerhouses contribute to a myriad of physiological processes in our bodies, including bone health. Amino acids, on the other hand, are organic compounds that combine to form proteins. They're the building blocks of life, and without them, our bodies wouldn't be able to function. When it comes to bone health, amino acids play a crucial role in the formation of collagen, a protein that provides structure and strength to our bones. Now, how do these components impact bone health specifically? Well, oligopeptides and amino acids are involved in the process of bone remodeling, a balance between bone formation and bone resorption. This process is essential for maintaining bone density and strength. Without a healthy balance, our bones can become weak and brittle, making them more prone to fractures and other injuries. Furthermore, some specific amino acids like lysine and arginine are known to boost calcium absorption, a key mineral in bone health. Oligopeptides, in particular, have been found to promote the production of osteoblasts, the cells responsible for bone formation. So, as we can see, these tiny molecules have a big job to do. They're working round the clock to keep our bones strong and healthy, and without them, our skeletal system simply couldn't do its job. It's a complex interplay of different components, all working together to ensure our bones are as strong as they can be. Remember, every single bone in our body relies on these tiny but powerful molecules. They're truly the unsung heroes of our bone health, and understanding their role can help us take better care of our bones in the long run. Now that we understand the roles of DNA, nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids, let's introduce a remarkable product that can support these components: imuregen. Imuregen is more than just a supplement. It's an investment in your health, specifically your bone health. You see, imuregen is designed to nourish your DNA, the very blueprint of your body. It's like a master architect, ensuring that every bone is built correctly and functions optimally. But how does it do this? The answer lies in the unique combination of ingredients found in imuregen. It's packed with nucleotides, the building blocks of DNA. These nucleotides are crucial for promoting bone health as they aid in the replication of DNA and the repair of damaged cells. Now, let's not forget about oligopeptides and amino acids. These are the raw materials your body uses to create new cells and tissues, including those in your bones. Imuregen provides an ample supply of these essential nutrients, ensuring your body has what it needs to generate strong, healthy bones. But that's not all. Imuregen also supports the overall function of your body's cells. It helps to enhance cellular energy production, which is crucial for maintaining the health and strength of your bones. So what does all this mean for you? It means that by incorporating imuregen into your daily regimen, you're supporting every aspect of your bone health. You're giving your body the tools it needs to maintain, repair, and build your bones. Remember, your bones are your body's framework. They provide support, protect your organs, and enable movement. That's why it's so important to take care of them. And with imuregen, taking care of your bones has never been easier. Just think of imuregen as your personal bone health ally, always there to support you, every step of the way. It's not just about preventing bone issues, it's about promoting overall bone health and wellness. With imuregen, you're not just taking a supplement, you're investing in your bone health. Today, we've taken a deep dive into the world of our body's building blocks and their role in bone health. We've explored the intricate relationship between DNA and our bones, highlighting how DNA is more than just the blueprint of our lives. It's also a key player in maintaining bone strength and vitality. We've also discussed the importance of nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. These essential molecules work in harmony with DNA, serving as the raw materials for bone development and repair. We introduced imuregen, a remarkable product that encapsulates all these elements, providing a comprehensive solution for bone health. It's not just a supplement, it's a tool for empowering your body from the inside out, bolstering your bones with the nutrients they need to stay strong and healthy. For more information about imuregen, do check out the link in the description below. Remember, your bone health is an investment, not an expense. Until next time, keep nourishing your DNA.